In addition to zhuzhing up your pivot table with the use of pivot table styles, there are also pivot table style options. In the ribbon, I've chosen the Pivot Table Tools Design tab, and in the Pivot Table Style options, I have 4 tick boxes. For example, to make it easy to read the pivot table and follow the figures, I might turn on the option Banded Rows. When I tick this option, Excel has automatically alternated the colours for each row, making it easier to follow across the figures. I could turn off banded rows or turn on banded rows. If I turn off banded rows, I might choose to alternate and band the columns. If I tick this option, Excel has applied an alternate colour to each column. I can turn them off and turn them on, and I can even mix them together. I can have banded rows and banded columns. I don't think that helps, so I'm going to take off the banded columns and leave on the banded rows. I also have an option called Column Headers. If I untick this option, it just takes off the accentuation from the column headers. Turning it on accentuates the column headings, turning it off de-accentuates the column headings. So I'm going to turn that on. The same is true of row headers. If I turn this option off, the row headings aren't as distinguished as they were before, so I'm going to turn this option back on.